Hey guys, it's Marley with Sunset Properties here. Today I wanted to take you on a tour of one of our new properties, Shores Plantation 4208. Now let's go in and check it out. This condo is located in Fort Morgan. And everything inside is brand new. So first you come in and you'll see your kitchen. You've got those fantastic stainless steel appliances. And this is a 2-bedroom, so we're going to step over here to your left to the first bedroom. It has a flat screen TV and a queen size bed. And you've got that first bathroom right here in the hallway. Now coming back out, you will see your dining table, and there's also like a little coffee bar. Now you've got everything you need, of course, to make your coffee and to make any meal you want to make here in the condo. The master bedroom is right here. It has a queen size bed and a private bathroom. And a flat screen TV, of course. Now you step out here in the living room, you've got plenty of seating. There's actually a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep 2 extra people in the living room. And there is a large flat screen TV, free Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. Now let's check out the balcony. Now at the end of the parking lot, just past the fantastic pool, is your beach access. So you do have just a little bit of a beach view here. Like I said, this condo is brand new. It is fantastic, and we would love to have you come stay at the Plantation 4208. If you want to book this condo, I'll put the link in the description. You can call or text us at 251-543-1370 or email us at info@sunsetproperties.com. Either way, I'll see y'all at sunset.